Dave, stop. Dave, stop. Dave, stop.
Good thing we only have 3 bullets now.
Guys, this isn't funny. Let me out.
Hunter, we can't be too safe, alright? If one of us gets infected, then this whole quarantine was for nothing.
Yeah, Cameron was definitely the ringleader behind it. He wanted to lock Hunter up in the room. It was just one cough. I wasn't too worried about it, but, you know.
Can't be too safe. I think it was the right move for sure.
Hey babe, Cameron said it's only for the day if you don't cough again.
Babe, no. You're letting me out now.
And Chase has you monitored on the GoPro to make sure you're all clear.
This isn't funny. Let me out. I have to shit. I don't want to have to shit in this bucket again. It's just disgusting, and I can't do it again.
What's funny about them locking Hunter in his room is if he actually had the virus, then I would be just as exposed. But I didn't cough, so. Should we just let him out?
And what, risk getting coronavirus? I'd rather die.
Okay, babe, I really don't want to get sick, so I think this is for the better.
I'm not asking anymore, babe. Let me out right now before I lose it.
All right, I'm gonna go tan outside, so don't yell for me because
Babe,
I'm not
no.
gonna hear you. Okay, love you.
Babe?
No, I don't regret a single thing I did that day.
Babe?
Did we overreact on a single cough? Maybe, yeah, a little bit. But we made this decision together, so I'm standing by it.
Cameron kind of forced Hunter to go into quarantine. I mean, if your own girlfriend wants you to be quarantined, how could you say no to that?
Kobe! Ow! Mrs. Jenkins! It's Hunter!
I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly, I'm black.
Who puts it behind the couch? That doesn't make sense.
Travel abroad because
Danny.
of the threat of coronavirus. 6 months ago, the State Department raised the travel advisory.
Okay, what is Dave doing?
Yeah, he's training.
He's training. For?
Oh, the National Peruvian Quidditch team. Last season, he scored 72 goals for Team Slytherin.
Oh my gosh. I mean, he's killing it out there.
You remember this guy? This is Jeff Kent.
Cam? Cam, is that you? Cam,
How did this happen?
Come on, let me out.
Cameron and Hunter just had that one conversation. I think that was the thing that set it all off.
I told you already, I'll tell you again, alright? I'm not letting you out until the sun sets. We can't be too safe, and that's letting you off easy too.
Well, you know what? I used your gem.
Yeah, Hunter was definitely the guy that was most against getting the weights in the house. We actually have a membership to 24-hour fitness.
Hunter liked going to 24. He saw the workout equipment as a waste of space.
He was so against the home gym, he said he would never get caught dead in there. And he wouldn't help pitch in on any of this stuff. This stuff's expensive, man.
Yeah, you heard me. I used your gym, your weights, your batting gloves. I spit on it. I greased them up.
What?
Oh, I was so oily. Oil's all over your weights. It's not going to come out. I guarantee it.
I told him it was a bad idea when he started using it, but I guess his normal gym was closed for remodeling, so he had to get his workout in. But I still told him not to use it. He said what Cameron didn't know wouldn't hurt him.
I never seen Cam so broken. It was like he was the one locked in the room.
If Hunter saw Cameron's face when he said that, he definitely would have pulled back a little bit, but you know, he was locked up in the room that Cameron put him in, so all bets were off.
Chase, are you going to paint me out like the bad guy here?
No, I'm just asking questions.
You better not, because Cameron pretty much did the unforgivable to me. Free at last, free at last. I told you I didn't have corona. You didn't listen. Thank God I'm out of here. Are you done filming?
Yeah, I'm done now. But where are you headed?
I'm gonna cruise to Vaughn's, get some things. You wanna come with?
Yeah, let me tag along, but give me 1 second. I gotta find my sandals, okay?
Sounds good.
Where did I sandals? Did I put them down here? Oh, yeah, they're in the bathroom. Oh my gosh. Why would my sandals be in the bathroom? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Oh my god. What's going on? I don't believe
Last season, he scored 72 goals for Team Slytherin.
Oh my gosh. I mean, he's killing it out there.
You know, I'm also good at sports.
Yeah. Okay.